Oh, hello. Didn't see you there. No, I did. I totally did see you there. It's the morning time. You guys, today we have a very, very special video, a Tea for Tiffany special event vlog of the new Tiffany line and invitation only upstairs where they keep Beyonce and Jay-Z and all those other people get to go to. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maya. I am a fashion freak, a geek, a luxury lover, shopaholic chic shithead, and today I'm going to be a jewelry junkie. A jewelry junkie! A Cartier king, a Tiffany Tom, Tiffany Todd, Tiffany Top, a Tiffany Team Tiffany, Tiffany T, a Tiffany T, the Tiffany T, T for Tiffany, Tiffany Taylor, and a Tiffany Tail, and I have a Tiffany Tail for you, and I have a Tiffany Tail for you. We'll figure that one out. Let's just do Team Tiffany. I was invited to a special Tea for Tiffany event. They bring you in, they show you the new Tea for Tiffany line, and they serve you tea, crumpets, and macaroons, and cocktails, whatever you want. Yeah, so I wanted to share that experience with you guys, and I'm going to combine it with a shopping vlog from that event, then also another shopping vlog at Cartier, and I went for 2 days, and then I'll just do the VO that I always do, and I'll just talk over the stuff inside, and then we can do an unboxing later of what I got. Yes, because I'm a jewelry junkie. So if that's something you're interested in, please stick around, please smash that like button, please consider subscribing, and keep on watching. Yes, Chai's not here in the video because he is not awake yet. Chai likes to sleep in. King Chai is not up before 10. Okay, so obviously I have to start off with this photo of this cute dog with the shoes that was at the Tea for Tiffany event. Okay, so this is, they bring in this room, brought us out some drinks, some refreshments, and some macaroons. They had liquor too, but we didn't get any. And it's this cute little room where they keep Beyonce and everyone, is what he told me. My friend. I ate like 20 of those macaroons. They're so good. So just waiting here until we can come shop the collection because there were a few people there and we didn't want to overcrowd so everyone can have time to look. This is my beautiful camera work as usual. Let's see how I'm filming. So this is the third floor of Tiffany's. There's seats here, some other clients, but they had everything up here, and so he kind of walked us through where the elevator was, the bathroom, stuff like that. I promise it's gonna get better, guys. My camera gets better, but they had all these like limited edition pieces on display, like one of a kind jewelry that they've used for events and stuff. We're all on display. I'll go zoom in on them a little bit. Hold on, stay with me. I don't know why I'm in the shop for so long. But yeah, they had these pieces, and then they had them all on display, and then they had all this table with everything else that was new from the collection on the third floor. Here's that table. Here's some pieces they can try on. These are the ones they had set out for the event, but then you could also go around the entire store and look, in which we did. But here's some of the things that we saw, and I tried on a few of the rings. I love that one on my third finger. It's like a Tea for Tiffany wrap. Again, here's some more of the jewelry they had on display, and here's the whole room. We finally had it to ourselves so we could like enjoy. Here's some of those like limited edition one-of-a-kind pieces. Then we went to the second floor and started looking at some necklaces. This one I really liked. It's like in the Tea for Tiffany wrap with the T in the middle. This one, not so much. It's kind of simple. We looked at some of the Elsa Peretti stuff as well. Elsa Peretti has a deal with Tiffany. She died recently, and she, I guess, hated Tiffany. They had a big falling out, but her stuff sells really well. She has those little diamond pieces, and it's at a lower price point than most of the Tiffany stuff. Most of this new stuff is actually a much higher price point. It's very comparable to Cartier, and more than Cartier too. But yeah, these like long necklaces. I was looking for a long necklace anyway. I wanted something but I wanted something with like a kind of clasp and then it drops. Here are some of those jewelry pieces that we looked at. They have some really great stuff. It was really, 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 here's these like, oh, I love these. I'm going to try to talk not as much. But we did look at a bunch of these really like one-of-a-kind pieces with like these amazing stones and stuff that were designed and kind of like wedding ring type things, and you know, just a bunch of different rings. Sorry, it's still early and I'm still drinking my coffee, so I'm talking as much as I can. I really like that one, actually. Okay, so then we went to Cartier, and beautiful camera work as well. Walked in to see my amazing essay. By the way, my Tiffany essay, so cool, so awesome, so helpful. He literally took us around the whole store for 2 hours to show us everything that we wanted to try on. And then we went back and tried on some more stuff the next day, which we'll do next. But also my Cartier essay, so nice. Both guys, both sweet. This red rope to keep you out from coming in while you wait. We had an appointment, so it's a lot easier when you have an appointment, but so we're just waiting to go in and try on some jewelry here. I love Cartier. It's just so nice inside. And it's like a very relaxed experience. Always like very take your time. At least in the Vinegar Push. So we're going to have a lot of shots at this angle of just kind of the display case. This is the classic Cartier. That one that's jiggling on the right is the model that's like flexible. So that one's like 8,000, and then they have the rigid versions of it in a small and a medium. That kind of is like the same size as the Love bracelet. And the classic Cartier line is their newest line, the one that Lily Collins is doing. This is the Trinity line. But the Clash, again, newest line, and they have it's really well designed with this like these like little movable pieces that kind of shake and jiggle when you wear it. That's really what I want to get next. That's the Trinity ring. I have one. I have two, actually. That watch is kind of cool too, the Clash watch. And then they have all these other Clash, but like these bigger models of the Clash, and then they have that silver and black one, or it's probably white gold or. They also have this really cool Clash necklace that I was thinking about getting. So either Clash bracelet or Clash necklace. I'm going to see what they have in France and see because it's obviously a little cheaper in France. But we did get something here today, which I will show you guys in my next thing. Lots of chatting. I'm going to shut up so you can just look. But if you have questions about any of these things, let me know. And I have more photos later down the line of me trying things on, and both in close-ups of all the bracelets that I tried on as well. Great job, Mayuk. They do this a lot. Like, we kind of stay in one little section. We usually stay right here in this corner, or we go where the Love bracelets are in the back wall. It kind of just brings everything to you to try on instead of you going around the store. But you're allowed to walk around the store and do everything you want, obviously. The second floor is more service stuff, but this floor is all displays. The watches are on the other side. They also have this cord bracelet Trinity necklace, which is kind of like the cord bracelets that I have, which I really, really like. And they're at a pretty, like, you know, decent price point, comparatively. Entry-level price point. The store was actually pretty empty, which was nice. I love when it's like, it was early morning on like a Tuesday, I think. So, nobody shopping then but us. This is the necklace, the Clash necklace. I really, really like it. It comes in 2 sizes, so these are both the sizes. I can't decide which one I want, and that's my other Cartier necklace. I also really like that Diamant Léger necklace. This is a sapphire pendant. It's like $900. It's the Love bracelet in gold. I think it's at 7,000 now, or 6,900. But those Clash necklaces, I think, one's 26 and the other's 37. And then they have one with diamonds as well, the 2 different sizes. And then the diamonds one is like 7. And they're always very careful to put it on you, make sure it fits nicely and like go really easily. And the lady upstairs, Rita, is so nice. She's so good at tightening them. This is the Cartier store at Rodeo, by the way, if I haven't mentioned that. Back to Cartier for another day. That's the one with diamonds, and that's another one of the pendants. I don't know if the diamond one's a little too flashy, but I do want to check it out in France first too. That's the Clash the Cartier ring. It comes in 2 sizes now too, with like double, like that's the double thickness one, and then there's a thinner one that's like just 1 layer. Okay, now we're back at Tiffany. We're in the waiting room again. But this is actually the waiting room in the basement, not the 3rd floor, which is a whole separate area. But we had it all to ourselves, which was really nice. I love luxury shopping. It just makes me so happy, you guys. Okay, so this is the Tiffany hardware line. It's these linked bracelets. They're so cool. They come in different sizes, different thicknesses of the links, and they also come like where it can go like big to small. Like the links can get bigger and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller on the same bracelet. That's a thinner version. But these are like above Cartier Love bracelet prices. I think they're like 10, 15, 20. There's both of them next to my Cartier Love bracelet for like, I think that's the large and the medium, and then there's a small as well. Okay, we're gonna have a lot of shots of this angle as well. But that's the T bracelet. That's kind of like the equivalent of the Cartier one for them. It's their most recognizable bracelet, I believe. And you just slide it on. It's a T, wrap T on both sides. That I'm gonna try on something from every one of these lines later in the video, so stick around. But just kind of was talking to him, telling us everything about the company and the new stuff that they're having. They were bought by Louis Vuitton. I don't know if you guys know that, but they were bought by Louis Vuitton recently, so they're going to start having some cool collabs with Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton's doing a lot of changes. They're getting rid of all of their silver jewelry, all of their like kind of those Tiffany chunky bracelets that everyone has with like all the charms. They're getting rid of all that sterling silver line, and it's all going to be gold, and Louis Vuitton's doing some special collabs. That's the T for Tiffany with diamonds. That one in the corner is like these upside down like T back and forth things. I'm going to try it on too. I think it's the T for Tiffany something hard bracelet. And also comes in different sizes, and I tried on 2 of the sizes. Also, the manager came over later and was like complimenting all the things we were trying on. And I don't know if she was planted there to do that, but she was sitting at her desk and she started looking at all this stuff, and she started saying how she liked everything that I was trying on. And I was like, I see what you're doing. But it worked. I'm going to try all these on at the end. So just wait. We're almost there. And they have a bunch of these cool bracelets. These like lightning bracelets. They have these, all these new like modern styles. You know, the Anya Taylor-Joy kind of the knot thing. Then I really like the knot bracelet and the knot necklace, which is another thing I'm thinking about getting. Either the knot necklace or the Clash, or I might get both. But I don't know how well they would look together. There's some perfumes. Yeah, this is when the manager was like started talking to me. My angle works. Yep, there she is. Some sunglasses as well. Who knew Tiffany had some? They kind of look very Gucci Chloe-esque. Celine. I'm just talking now for no reason. Do you guys love it? Can't shut up. Back to our favorite sport. Hello. So kind of sticked in this area for a while. This is on the 2nd floor or the bottom floor. This might be on the bottom floor. It's 3 floors and a basement, and it kind of there's 2 entrances. There's an entrance on the 2nd floor from that famous street off of Rodeo, the little curved up street. I can't remember the name right now. And then there's another entrance on Wilshire or Rodeo, maybe. No, on Wilshire. Maybe it's Rodeo. That's the knot. I think it's Rodeo, actually. Never mind. I don't remember. Okay, that's the knot. Bracelet. I'm going to try it on in a sec, but I really like that one. And that's their new, you know, that they had billboards for a couple months ago. The Anya Taylor-Joy line. I didn't know it comes in a little ring form, too. Ooh, maybe I should look at that. So many options, you guys. So that's where Elsa Peretti's all on that side. And then in the back, they had all the sterling silver stuff. And then way on the right, they had all, like, their home and pet and stuff like that, which I didn't really get a video of, or if I did, I can't find it now. That's the knot bracelet. And it kind of twists to clasp on and off, and it's got two things around it. I wish I would have done a flip over the other side, but it looks really cool, I think. And that's the knot necklace, which I also really like. Can't decide. That's that T hardware bracelet in the thinner, in the medium. And then that's it in the large. So you can kind of see the difference. That's like kind of more of a statement, like you wear by itself. And the other one you kind of stack. Although I guess you could stack that too. But I think, yeah. So you see like upside down, back and forth, like a T and then an upside down T and a T and an upside down T. This one was also cool as a little cuff with like two crossing lines. This is the lightning one. Also really cool. I tried both of them on at the same time. Also could be a statement piece, I think. I think it's really nice. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked that video, please consider subscribing. Please smash that like button. Please share with your friends and family. If you hated it, share with your enemies and exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious, so I appreciate you spending your time here with me. I'm going to go back to my coffee.